Alright guys, welcome back. Finally got all the parts that I need for my engine to go together completely. So let me get these, I'll show you. Oh god, almost died. So wound up getting a cam, had to get a roller, hydraulic roller cam. It is I believe it's slightly above stock. It's nothing too insane. What I could find was like 80 lift above stock. It was like 480 lift, and like I just didn't want to deal with replacing springs and all that crap. So it's like slightly above stock, like I think it's 390 lift on both. But anyway, we're gonna get this put in. Gonna get the cam gear put on, the timing cover put on, the lifters put in, the heads put on, and the oil pan put on as well. That way, the only thing we have left to do is get the intake and the fuel lines out of the four-wheel drive, slap it into the two-wheel drive, and then we can put the engine in. So we're really close. We just got a little bit of work to do before we get there. So we'll cut to putting the cam in, putting the lifters in.
Alright.
We're doing it the right way this time.
Like I tried telling you the first time.
Yeah, well, that was the wrong cam.
Yep.
I don't think I explained why, but there's a roller flat tappet hydraulic cam. Well, hydraulic flat tappet cam, and I had to have a hydraulic roller cam.
I mean, you can put a flat tappet cam
but you have
in
to
here,
have the right lifters to go with it.
But yeah, well, yeah, he'd have to have the right lifters and push rods.
Yeah, I'd have to have springs, push rods, right lifters, all that. And I was not going to be able to afford that, so.
If you want a cam for a 318, it's what, a 441 or whatever lift?
No, yeah, that one. It's a 441.
It's got some decent chop to it. We've watched some videos on
the exact cam.
Yep. It's got some decent chop. I'm sure he's selling it for like
$75.
75
and
bucks.
If I have to ship it, it'll probably be
like 100.
I would probably do it for 90 shipped.
Depends on the price of shipping.
Depends on the price of shipping and where you're at. But if you'd like it, it is for a Dodge 318, a Dodge 360. What's the other one? It's not the big block, but all the small block Dodges it goes in. Pre-91.
Yeah, the
pre-91.
It's like a 292, I think, or whatever.
I don't know. The other V8 they have.
Yeah, whatever it is.
Yeah, whatever that V8 is.
I don't Dodge.
Oh, that's slick.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Fill right out. Haha. There we go. Let's get these last ones. Whenever you do put a new cam in, make sure you do this. It doesn't matter what it is, just do it. You don't want the bad repercussions of not doing it.
If it wasn't for the humidity, it'd be really nice outside today.
Yeah, it would. It rained quite a bit last night and all that good stuff, so. This makes things difficult. Trying not to yoink anything up here.
And this is why a lot of people put the bolt in the front of the cam when they do this.
Yeah.
It gives them a little bit more leverage.
Just trying to find the right area for it to go in is a pain in my butt.
Well, I think, okay, never mind. You just gotta spin it until it goes in. It'll eventually go in. See?
There we go.
Gotta keep spinning. Trust me, it'll go in there.
Just keep spinning.
Yep. Just like that.
Now that I actually have a short nose cam in it. Okay, so the cam is in, and I got lifters. Like FedEx is just retarded.
Oh yeah, you need to douse those in oil.
Yes, which we will be doing here in a minute. But as you noticed, the Ford is not under the carport anymore. But,
Yeah, and your boy did something to it.
yeah.
It's pretty sick.
You show that, I'm gonna go get my shop towel.
So I've decided to go full 90s build with this thing. We got the big old fire stick antenna. I decided to just put it on my mirror because, I mean, why not? It's just like a Peterbilt thing, because this is how they run them on those. So, got our antenna wire. We got a ground from the antenna base running inside. Comes in here. I don't know. I bought an 18-foot cable thinking I was going to put it in the bed, and now I just have a giant wad of antenna. But right now I just got a Uniden PC78 LTW. But I'm going to end up getting a newer Cobra. Probably going to go with the LTD Classic or something like that. Because I want to keep it retro. I don't want to, you know, get an era like I said, I'm keeping it 90s. I want it to be era specific. But I also ripped out the junk JVC head unit. We also have another Cobra. There's an LTD Classic right there. That one's for Takeo, for his Blazer. Then yeah, right now I'm just gonna be running the Uniden. We hooked them up yesterday, made sure they were working, and we were picking up signals from the truck stop down the road. So we know that my antenna and everything's functioning, but I still need to get a SRW meter so that I can tune my antenna so that I don't fry my radio and everything. And then I'm gonna be getting probably a 90s retro head unit for this thing too. So yeah, like always, the same thing that's been holding me up this entire time is still holding me up. It's the stupid windshield wipers, and they're getting on my nerves. I wish it'd just work already.
Yeah, we wish.
But now we got the giant fire stick and got the spring on it, so she sits there and wobbles around. And that'll kind of help from hanging objects so that it don't snap my $50 freaking antenna. I spent $100 on supplies for that yesterday, so I'd rather not that go to waste.
Back to the task at hand. Anyways. Oh man.
We need someone to set this freaking GoPro. Here, I got an idea. Maybe over here. Oh yeah.
Alright.
Because, you know, we already lost our freaking stand.
Yeah. I bought a tripod and now I don't know where it is. So go me. Number one. But you know, that's how things go around here. Buy something new, use it for a week, lose it. Yep, that's how it goes. keyway is in. So now we can put the cam gear on. Make sure that's there. Here we go. And we can put the bolt back in. Get all that crap off of it. This is what I like to see. Okay guys, so I didn't film doing all these because it took me forever and a half, but I'll go ahead and film these last two. What I'm doing is I'm taking the end caps off, and I'm putting more assembly lube on them, cleaning them, make sure they're good, and only tightening them with the torque wrench. That way I know they're at 45 pounds instead of, you know, I just feel better about it. So let's get to it. All of those are tight. I'm dying of sweat. Whew, got a little lightheaded there. Alright, so cam is in, lifters are in, rod caps are tightened. Only thing left is I gotta put the oh my god, oil pan gasket, oil pan on. It's got the new oil pump in. And let's see here. Come over here. And then from there, we can put the heads on. I have the head bolts, and then we gotta put these. We gotta put these on, and the spider back on, and she'll be ready to go. So that'll be it for this one. I'm dying. It's not even hot outside, it's just super humid. And it's lunchtime. So, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends. And we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching JTB'Z.